BingX Futures Grid just got a major update. Smarter features, a redesigned interface, and even more control at every step. First up, dynamic price range. When price goes beyond your range, your grid automatically adjusts and keeps running. You can also adjust trade size per grid anytime, giving you more control over your capital. With real-time strategy modification, update your price range, grid number, take profit and stop loss, all without restarting. Plus, track your strategy with 2 new grid statuses, pending activation and modifying. Finally, the interface has also been redesigned to make everything clearer and easier to manage. The strategy details page is now organized into sections with key data grouped by category. Ready to start? Here is how to set it up. On the BingX app, go to Bots, tap Futures Grid, choose your trading pair, and select a direction. Enter your price range and grid number, or tap AI Autofill. Then choose your leverage and investment amount. To adjust the trade size per grid, tap the Edit icon. Further customize your grid, or tap Create. Review your strategy and tap OK. Stay in control, stay in the trade. Start using the new BingX Futures Grid today.